Boy,
Ready?
you ready to do this?
Yes, sir.
So what are we doing today?
Taking a stock car and not making it stock anymore.
So he's had this thing for a minute. He's finally getting back into the car game.
Yep.
This is the comeback. He had a pretty clean EK hatch back in the day with the GSR. All right, so it's about 8 o'clock. We got like an hour and a half of daylight left. So this thing is bone stock. We got to roll the fenders. That's gonna be the first step. So we got some coilovers, got some camber kits for the rear, and we got the control arms in the front. We're gonna stop wasting time and just hop right into it. The goal is to have the car finished tonight. I don't think we'll be able to finish it tonight because we got to roll the fenders and that's not a quick task. I think we'll finish up tomorrow morning, but I'm pretty excited to finally have my stance buddy back.
Yeah, me too.
I'll throw in a clip from back in the day when I had the SI and then you had the hatch.
Learned that from a TV, so don't say it's politics when you see me. When you're gonna apologize for your CD, yeah, that don't match red and black to a JD. Listen, man, don't come here no more.
Just a little throwback, but I guess let's start rolling the fenders on this thing because the sun is going down quick. Are we maxing them out or what?
Might as well.
Send it. Let's max them out. I learned the hard way. Every time I throw coilovers on, I end up maxing them out right after. Yes, sir. Keep going. Keep going. That's it?
Yeah.
I guess that's as low as it's going. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. What are you replacing it with?
Check this out. Whew. Skunk 2, baby. Junk 2. I'm playing. No, Skunk 2 ain't bad. So we're not gonna max the camber out. We're just gonna go like 3/4 of the way, so we still have a little bit more if we do need to adjust it. Sun's almost gone, bro. What's taking us so long? This is the first. This is the first wheel. We're actually moving pretty quick. We tried rolling the rear fender, but it's kind of hard to get the fender roller set up. So we're gonna throw the suspension on first and it'll bring the whole hub closer to the fender and then we'll try rolling it.
Alright, what's happening?
So it's like 11 o'clock, everything's closed, but the OEM suspension in the rear had the net welded onto the strut. The coilovers didn't, so we're gonna try to find something that will work for the rear strut bolt. So we came to my house real quick, and I thought I had some spare nuts, but all right, let's see if this one works. I don't think it's the right thread.
No.
Nah. Dude, I don't know what we're gonna do now. Maybe we could take it off the S2000? I don't really want to harvest the S2000 now.
No.
Okay, we gotta find something else. Skateboard? Longboard? Let's check the longboard. See if the longboard has something. Yo, let's try these.
Maybe those are the same threads as the...
That looks kind of small.
Yeah. Yay, nay.
No, it's a different thread as well. Sorry, baby. But we need to get this done. My boy needs a car tomorrow. Should we try? Oh!
It's gonna work.
Yo! It works.
Does it?
All right, we're good.
Nice.
Let's go.
Boom.
We're about to piss the neighbors off.
What time is it, Alex?
Let's see.
11:50
So it's almost
p.m.
almost midnight. We gotta get this control arm out, so
So this is
the
what
only
we're
way,
doing.
man. Sorry to the neighbors, but
It's just one night.
money. That wasn't even bad. Usually it takes way longer.
Quick and easy.
Got lucky. Keep sleeping now.
Nice.
Almost done with the front. It's been like 10 minutes.
Easy.
Let's get it. How do you feel?
Feel good.
Welcome back to the stance game, boy.
Oh, yeah.
So we started at about 8 in the evening. Right now it's 1:20 in the morning, so about 4 or 5 hours, which isn't too bad, I guess. The car was bone stock, so we got the new suspension on, front upper control arms, we got the rear camber kits. That's the only problem we had, was getting the rear camber kits on. It didn't really line up too well, but we figured it out. We got the bolts for the rear strut. That was another thing we ran into, so we lost some time there. Overall, it went pretty smooth. Looks pretty good. We still have some adjustments to make. We're gonna do that tomorrow because the front is a little too high. I think we'll call it good for today. We're just gonna go for a quick test drive and then we'll continue tomorrow. Bro. Hey,
New wheel.
got that quick release? I see you,
Sir,
boy.
Yes, sir.
What about that fitment though? What's up with that?
It's whack. That's why we're here today.
All right, so it's the second day working on this car. The coilovers in the front are pretty much maxed out right now. They're not really made to go too low, so we're gonna go ahead and just screw with them. We're gonna mess with the preload. It's the only way to get it lower. I told him that he's pretty much just gonna lose life in the shocks, but he's cool with it, cause
It's a Civic.
low life, bro. But you paid a lot for the coilovers. I mean, I feel kind of bad because he paid for some like nice coilovers, but gotta do what you gotta do to get low. Sure you wanna do this?
Yes.
Send it. So by doing this, pretty much, so instead of, you know, having more travel, that's how much less travel it's gonna have. So you're gonna blow your shocks. Say that again. This guy's asking me, he's like, isn't it gonna rub my fenders? I'm like, dude, is that what you're trying to do? Yeah, we're debating if we should just go all the way. I think you should just go all the way, because you were actually pretty high before we did this, so. I mean, if we're messing with the preload, might as well do it the right way, right? Just send it.
Slam it all the way.
Oh, alright.
Alright, it has been done.
Well, the thing that sucks about this is now we're gonna put the wheel on, and if it's not low enough, there's nothing else we can do. That's pretty much it.
No, it'll be.
Let's see it. Oh, bro! I think you just blew your shock. No, I'm kidding. Hey, that actually looks a lot better though. That's a pretty big difference.
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Even though you're gonna screw your suspension up,
It's all good.
it's all good.
Oh, I love that.
That compared to this?
Yeah.
I mean, this doesn't look that bad on camera, but in person it's a little too high, especially the front bumper, so I don't know. That's a lot more like it, bro. Now we just gotta roll these fenders. We didn't get to do that the other night, cause we didn't have to, cause you're a freaking monster truck in the front. All right, sick, bro. Let's do the other side and get the fenders rolled. Hit it. Oh, yo, take it easy, bro. Learn how to use
I'm
it.
not used to your jack.
Learn how to use the jack. Ooh, I like that.
That fender.
I like it, but you're gonna have to, your fenders are gonna get flared out when you turn. Till it's kind of low enough.
Sounds alright.
Bruh, come on, you ain't that low. Oh, hold on, let me show you guys a trick. That's how you do it. You take this out, like this, you go like this, and it comes out.
Tricks by Alex.
The more you know, bro. Oh, you scraping, bro? There we go. All right, so false alarm. We don't want to be about that bacon life, so we're gonna raise it about 1/8 of an inch in the front. I think it'll make a big difference.
It's all about the functional.
There we go. Yes, sir. We ain't about that bacon no more. Yeah, so we're just gonna raise it like the slightest amount. We just Don't know how we're gonna get out of the driveway without buckling the fender, so play it safe and then we'll go lower later if anything. Final product. How do you feel?
Feel good.
So yeah, this is the final product. A total of about 5 hours, I'd say maybe 6 with all the adjustments and stuff. From bone stock to this. They are XXRs. I was giving him a little hard time about that. I did want him to get some like CCWs or something, but it's a good wheel to get back into the game. He just really likes these wheels. We'll get him a set of real wheels soon, I promise. He's not gonna be rocking these for too long.
Nah, not too long.
Mark my words. But yeah, overall, I mean, looks pretty good. So if anyone's trying to stance a car from bone stock, this is all you need. I don't know, how much did you invest into this?
Probably like 2 grand.
2 grand. So that's with like nice coilovers and with a quick release. I didn't show you guys that yet, but he did get a Mugen wheel. If you're a real car enthusiast, it's Mugen. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
It's Mugen, bro.
Mugen, really?
Yeah, in Japan they say Mugen, but we'll call it Mugen. So he got the quick release with the Works Bell hub, nice little Mugen wheel. He also got an SIR style lip. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I think he did a pretty good job. So with about 1,500 to 2 grand, you can get some nice coilovers, set of wheels, just some like entry-level wheels, call them that. Yeah, pretty big difference from what it was a couple days ago. Slowly start making this thing look a little better, and down the road, probably get some more power out of this thing.
Yeah, more power.
Still planning on doing that swap?
Yeah. K20, baby.
K20, you sure? Not B series? We'll see, man. We'll see. K20 is, I don't know, man. It might be a little too much for you. I'm just playing. So yeah, he's saying K series. We'll see. This thing will eventually have a swap, whether it's K or B series. Doesn't really matter. It'll still be a fun little project to do. And I guess we'll call it good here on this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.